13 from scanner sum, page number PE 72. Okay, so we'll do question number 13. So come to the notes to accounts and then additional information. So what are things that are given in the additional information? A machinery, a book value is 60,000, depreciation is 20,000, sold at a loss of 6,000. It means 6,000 minus 60 minus 20, 40. 34 by lakh. Lost value is 6,000. So the sale value is 34,000. Enapa? 34,000. Clear? Okay. So this is what the sale value. What we should do? We should open the ledger. Machinery account ledger. So what is the machinery account ledger? We'll open here itself. Okay. What is the opening balance? 11 lakh. 2 balance brought down. How much? 11 lakh? 70,000. Closing balance?
16 lakh 30,000.
16 lakh?
30,000.
16 lakh?
30,000.
30,000. Okay, ba? What is given by bank, which is sale value? 34. 34. It's a profit or loss? Loss on sale. Apra? By depreciation. What is the depreciation? 20,000. Okay, always remember, what are the things that will come in the debit side? Whatever the thing that will lead to increase in the value of asset will come in the debit side. Whatever the thing that will come in that will leads to increase in the value of asset will come in the debit side. What are the things that will lead to decrease in the value of asset will come in the credit side. So sale, it will lead to decrease in value, loss, decrease in value, depreciation, decrease in the value. So you close the account, will get a balancing figure. What is the balancing figure? Do the total.
5,20,000.
5 lakh? 5 lakh.
5,20,000.
Okay, first tell the total.
16,90,000.
60,90,000. 16,90,000.
5,20,000.
The balancing figure is coming in the debit side.
Purchase.
How much pa?
5,20,000.
5,20,000 to bank. It means it is a purchase. Okay, va? So what is the effect? The sale value will come in the investment activity la plus, because if you sell the asset, cash will come in. If you sell the asset, cash will come in. And then loss on sale,
operating activity
la second adjustment, third la that is what non-cash and non-operating activity la add. Okay, and then depreciation. Actually, this depreciation should not be taken because there is a accumulated depreciation. Whenever there is a accumulated depreciation, what we should do? We should create the ledger. What is the ledger? Faster get pandra. So opening BD, closing CD. What is the opening and closing? 70,000. 1,30,000. In machinery account, it is by accumulated depreciation. In depreciation account, in accumulated depreciation account, it is to machinery that comes to 20,000. Close the account, you will get a balancing figure. What is the balancing figure?
Accumulated depreciation.
33. This one 33. Minus Achana, you will get.
Sir, 37.
Correct only, no, 33 total. 33 minus 7. 33 minus. Minus 7,000. 70,
Yeah.
Okay. Then 70,000 only should be taken.
Yeah.
Okay. So what is the total? 70,000. This is 1,30,000 pa. I thought it is a 13. How much is that? 1 lakh
1,50,000.
1 lakh 50, 1 lakh 50. So in 1 lakh 50, 70 gone na
80,000.
80,000. This 80,000 is a
Statement of profit.
By
Depreciation.
statement of profit and loss. This is only should be added in the operating activity under third under
Less.
non-cash or non-operating activity. Non-cash or non-operating activity la we need to add. Clear?
It's lagging.
Done na?
மைனஸ்ல கொடுத்துருக்காங்களா அதனால
ம்.
எஃபெக்ட் சேஞ்ச் ஆகும் பிராக்கெட் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க
Okay, all this will be.
All in all the question depreciation will be in the minus part only.
because it leads to reduction.
Because it leads to decrease in the value of asset. Okay va? Fine.
So in all the sum they do less and they do accumulative depreciation. Here less is not mentioned, that's why.
Directா
Director they have mentioned the bracket. Okay. Nothing is there. And then debenture is there. So it is a very very important pa. Because it was issued on 1st July. Then we need to calculate the interest for the opening value and closing value. Whenever there is a interest part like this, what we should do? We should prepare a timeline chart. Timeline chart in 2017-18 na? 2018-19
18-19
na? 18-19. What is the opening value of debentures? Hmm? 3 lakhs. Closing value? Nil. Okay, wow, it means 0. When it was paid? 1st July. So how many months? April, May, June. 3 months interest we need to pay. What is the 3 month interest? 3 lakh into what is the debenture interest?
8%.
8%. So 8 by 100 into 3 by 12. That comes to?
3 lakh into
3 8s are 6,000. Okay, so that comes to 6,000. Okay va? How to do this in mind? 3 lakh la 10% na? 3 lakh la 10% na? 30,000. Up 8% na? 3 8s are 24. Okay va? 24,000. Correct? For how much? For 1 year. For 1 year it is 24,000. Then
24,000 into
அது வந்து என்னது only 1/4 3 months no அப்ப divided between 1 by into 1/4 பண்ணா you will get 6,000. Clear? So like this also we can do. So what is the effect for this 6,000? Operating activity third என்னது
non-cash and non-operating.
non-operating adjustment la add and the second effect is financial activity la minus redemption interest paid and the redemption also should be subtracted. So give the effect pa. This purchase and sale give the effect. Investment activity we need to give effect, and here also we need to give the effect for investment activity. Investment activity if you do any purchase it will leads to outflow of cash. If you do any purchase it leads to outflow of cash. So what we should do? We need to subtract the value. Okay va? So open the account. So here they given that operating is nil. So directly we are doing investing activity, purchase, sale. What is the purchase value? 5,20,000. Sale value 34. Purchase value eவ்வளவுப்பா? 5,20,000. Don't forget to put the bracket. Purchase means it's a cash outflow. And then sale 34,000. It will be in positive. Okay? Yes. And then financing activity.
It will be negative.
Napa?
Investing activity will be negative.
We passed till question is not got over. Financial activity. What is there? Debentures. Redemption. Napa? Debenture redemption. How much? 3 lakhs. How 3 lakhs? It's a cash outflow and also 8% interest on debentures for 3 months comes to cash inflow, cash outflow. cash outflow. In operating we should add and in investing, sorry, in financing it should be subtracted. Correct? Okay. Anything is there? Nothing. Only two adjustments are there. Yes or no? Okay, fine. Further we will come to share capital. What is the given in the share capital? Previous year it was 11 lakh. Current year it was 19 lakh. It means it was increased by 8 lakhs.
8 lakhs.
So it's a cash inflow. Napa cash inflow. So
Issue of share.
share capital. How much? Cash inflow. So representing in positive. Next in our reserves and surplus already completed. Notes to accounts complete. Notes to accounts to be completed, no? And then only balance sheet. This is a operating activity. We no need to do. Why? Because they given operating activity as a nil. In question they given operating activity as a nil. Okay. So no need to do the operating activity. Debentures we completed. Short term debentures. Okay, va? So in this there is a 1 lakh debentures are there. Nothing is mentioned, but we need to pay the interest. 1 lakh into 8 by 100 comes to 8,000 pa. Okay, va? So in financial activity, this is a clubbed one, and this 8% interest for total one. So also or else you can do clubbing also. What is this? 6,000 plus 8,000. 14,000 you can write. How 14,000 came? 6,000 plus 8,000. Okay, va? 6,000 for long term, sorry, short term. This 8,000 for the long term.
So how to find that the adjustment given is for long term or short term?
Go and see. Previous year 3 lakhs is there. Very good question. He is asking that one of the debentures were redeemed. Here there are two debentures. So how we will come to know which debentures was redeemed?
No.
If there was
That one you are asking. So go and see the question.
change.
Here is there any change? No. Is there any change here? Yes. Previous year there is a 3 lakhs of liability. In 2018 there is a 3 lakhs of liability. But in 2019 there is no liability. What does it mean? It means we have paid the liability. It means we have paid the liability. Okay, va? So this is how the sum is to be proceeded. Yes. Okay. So bank, and then so for this interest is calculated. This interest also is calculated. And then bank overdraft. What is the bank overdraft?
Cash inflow.
It's a financial activity. Previous year there was only 2,30,000. Current year it was 2,50,000. Bank overdraft, even though it is under current liability, we should treat it as a financing activity. It's a cash inflow, cash outflow. Cash inflow. Previous year there was a 2,30,000. Current year 2,50,000. It means it is a cash inflow. How much inflow? 20,000. So where we should do? In financial activity we should add. Okay, va? Bank overdraft. How much va? 20,000. Cash inflow. So we need to represent in plus. Okay. Next in our short term provisions, the long term tax, it will come in the operating. So no need to do. And machinery and goodwill pa. Goodwill previous year it was 1,70,000. Current year it was 2,80,000. It means it is an increase in the value of goodwill, decrease in the value of goodwill. Increase means it's a purchase or sale. Purchase. Decrease means it is an amortization. Increase means it is a purchase of goodwill. So purchase of goodwill, what we should do? Purchase of goodwill in investment activity it should come, because the purchase. Another purchase. Okay, va? So what is the effect? Investment activity la minus. Why minus? Because it is a purchase. Goodwill purchase. How much pa? 1,10,000. Correct. Wrong. Minus la ponno. It is a purchase, no?
Minus.
Whenever we do purchase, it's a cash outflow. Cash outflow means we should do subtraction. Okay, only sale. Okay, to remember this two thing is there. पैसा आ रहे पैसा जा रहे अरे पैसा आ रहे पैसा आ रहे means what comes in plus जा रहे means so you need to remember this step. Okay, what is the step? पैसा आ रहे पैसा everyone with this step पैसा आ रहे पैसा okay va okay fine. Okay, next bank overdraft over, goodwill over. So all the notes to accounts also got over. So we will come to the asset part. Asset part, plant and machinery over, intangible asset over, current investment I said no, and cash and cash. This current investment and cash and cash equivalent, 5 things should come under cash and cash equivalent. None other. Cash at bank, cash in hand, marketable securities, cash at bank. Solliyachra. Marketable securities, current investment, deposits. These 5 things will come under cash and cash equivalent. So what is the opening balance? We need to add 2,90,000 plus 2,30,000. That comes to 5,00,000. Okay, 5,20,000. What we should do? We should add in the A plus B plus C. Okay, we'll do. If you add automatically, we will get to the closing balance. What is the closing balance here? 4,30,000. Okay, so I think there is a negative balance of A1, negative cash inflow. Okay, so and then there is a trade receivable. Trade receivable enga varum? Operating activity, so ignore. Okay, it's a another increase in current asset, decrease in current asset, decrease in the current asset. So what we should do in the operating activity? We should add only current liability increase na add, decrease na minus. Current asset increase na minus, decrease na add. Okay, repeat with me. If current asset increase na, decrease na add. Okay. So by this we will do the total. What is the total, pa?
Minus 5,96,000
minus
5,96,000.
5,96,000. Everyone do with me, pa. 5 lakh plus 1 lakh 6 lakh 20,000 plus 10,000 30,000. அப்ப எவ்வளவு வந்துச்சு? 6,30,000. 6,30,000 ல 30 போச்சுனா 6 lakh. அதுல 4 போச்சுனா 5,96,000. This is how you are getting the 5,96,000 in the outer column. Actually, you should not write here. You should write down.
Cash used in investing.
Okay, you should write here. What sentence you should write here? Cash used in investment activity. If answer comes in negative, what you should do? Cash used. Answer positive na? Cash flow from. Okay, financing activity. 8,20,000. From 8 lakh you subtract 3 lakh. From 20 you subtract 14. 8 la 3 pochina 5. 20 la 14 pochina 6. Appo 5 lakh 6,000. Okay, positive. So what is the answer here? Cash flow from financing activity. So do pa. Operating they said nil. So this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. So what is the net?
Net
Last
Net to flow. What is the net to flow?
90.
1 plus 2 plus 3. That comes to
90,000 in negative.
5,96,000
minus 5.
minus this panna. How much?
90,000 negative.
90,000 is a negative. Okay, va? So what is the opening cash and cash equivalent? Opening cash and cash equivalent comes to
2,30,000.
5,20,000 part. 2,90,000 plus 2,30,000. You should write like this. Current investment, cash and cash equivalent. Eவ்வளவு பா வருது? 5 lakh?
20.
Individual.
2,30,000 plus 2,90,000.
2 lakh?
90 plus 2.
Add பண்ணா
5,20,000.
5,20,000. So if you subtract 5 lakh 20 from 90, you are getting 4 lakh 10,000. 10,000 ah? 4 lakh 30,000. Okay va? What is the closing cash and cash equivalent? 1 lakh 30 plus 3 lakhs. Listen here pa, 1 lakh 30 plus 3 lakhs. What is the balance you are getting? 4 lakh 30. So it should get equal. It should match pa. So how much? 1 lakh 30 and 3 lakhs. So this is nothing but 1 lakh 30 and 3 lakhs. This is what? Closing cash and cash equivalent. Current investment, cash and cash equivalent. This is how you are getting pa. Is it clear? Understanding?
Yes, sir.
Easy? So by this sum gets over. This is how you need to do the sum. Concept you should be crystal clear. Okay va? Once again we'll do the fast recap of full cash flow. In cash flow there are 3 types of activity: operating, investing and finance. In operating there are 5 heading. First heading is net profit, second is net profit adjustment, third non-cash or non-operating adjustment, fourth working capital adjustment, fifth is tax paid, fifth another tax paid. If you do these 5 things you will get to the. In non-operating and net profit adjustment we should add back tanana. What is mean by tanana? It means items which is debited in operating activity. It needs to decrease in the net profit. So in order to get to my original operating profit, we need to add back in the operating activity and subtract in the respective activity. That is most of us financial activity. What is mean by doom tanana? It means the item which is credited in P&L. It needs to increase in my net profit. So I want to find the original operating profit. So I need to subtract the value. Okay va? So that I will get to the original operating profit. This is how this sum gets over in operating. What are things that will come in the investment? All purchase and sale of assets. All the purchase and sale of assets. Okay va? Any profit are related to that, it should come in the investment activity. So subtract in the operating, add in the investment. And then in financial activity, all the fund related. What are things are there fund related? Share capital, debentures, okay va? Interest, loan, these are things that will come under the financing activity. And that is a operating is 1, investment is 2 and financing is 3. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is a net cash flow or cash generated. So with this opening cash and cash equivalent is getting added, so that you are getting a closing cash and cash equivalent. The beauty of this cash flow is it should automatically get tallied with the given question. If it is tallied with the given question, you are getting a answer correct. Is it clear? Clear pa? Okay. By this the sum gets over. Okay. Do this question. I will give you 8 minutes. Do it within now itself.